That's the Recliner Factory. We build British-made furniture with care and attention, with your comfort and quality in mind. Our factory is situated in the heart of the West Midlands, and with over 27 years of experience, we ensure that we make your bespoke chair to the highest standard. Our skilled craftsmen source quality raw materials and carefully craft them into a riser recliner, custom-made for you. Hand-built wooden frames, seats, back and arms provide you with the perfect chair to support your neck, back, legs and arms. Whatever your style, we have the fabrics to match. Choose from hundreds, including premium leathers, to find the right look to suit your home. Your fabrics are then cut and passed on to our team of skilled sewers, who sew all the parts for your chair. Finally, our upholsterers fix everything together, adding the final touches. With production complete, the last stage of the process is quality control to guarantee that you will receive the best quality chair. Your chair is then delivered to you by our friendly delivery team, who will deliver your chair to the room of your choice, ensuring quality service from start to finish. The Recliner Factory, luxury for less.